Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a package from Charles Gleffe. Can't read the title. It is a Trick or Treat Studios Rob Zombie mask. Michael Myers. If you can't tell, this is a tiny little box, dude. Word of advice, don't ship masks in small boxes like this. Hopefully it's not folded up in all sorts of ways. I've seen this shit, man. That's a big no-no in this hobby. You don't put masks in small boxes like this. But yeah, see, that's the shittiest damn shipping that I've ever seen. At least a mask. Wow. Holy hell. Got a great copy. Dang, dude. My first time seeing these in person. Definitely plan on getting it rehauled, but this one actually doesn't really need much. Looks great as is. Here it is, guys. Pretty damn nice copy. Stock. Paint job. This is the one from Spirit Halloween. You can tell by the tag on the top of the head. There was no packing or nothing on this thing. But luckily it luckily it's in one piece. I don't know if it'll fit my big old head. Oh yeah. Eye cuts are great. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Great size. Fits my big old head. Very excited to own this finally. After going to 3 different spirits, finally found one. Luckily it is it's not folded up or anything. But like I said, word of advice, don't put masks in boxes like that. Especially if high-end collectors. Probably take the tag off. I did plan to keep it on there, but it looks kind of goofy with it on there. That's it, guys. The Trick or Treat Studios movie mold Rob Zombie mask. This is a great stock copy. Definitely plan on getting it rehauled, have it all trimmed up and stuff, and I'll probably buy a another Delatore shell for this. But wow, dude, Trick or Treat Studios definitely nailed it. Movie mold. Can't get no better than that. Anyways, guys, just wanted to quick share this with you all. Thumb this video up if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you later. Oh.